Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I just want to show you a quick DIY I did because you know guys, I'm doing my guest bathroom. So I figure I have two drawers here. Okay, and I figure, I got this idea when my brother called me and says, you know what, maybe I'll come visit you in Vegas. I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I just have like a girly bathroom. So this is a bathroom. It's not going to be like the rose gold. I want it kind of masculine with a little feminine touch. So I'm going to do a male drawer and a female drawer. So I'm going to show you what I did using Dollar Tree things. All right, and some of these things are optional, so you can just pick and choose what you like. Now, I got this idea from one of those YouTubers from long ago. I couldn't remember who did this lift in their cabinet. Then guess what came on? Be my guest with Denise. So when she did this slip, I said, I know someone did this a long time ago. So in the drawer, because these are shallow drawers, and then my products couldn't hold because I want this stuff to be more like, I want this to be toiletries for men, toiletries for women. So when my guest comes to visit, they have their own separate toiletries. So this is what I created. Yes, guys, so I got this lip here and I got this idea from her, but I did a two twist. I had to glam it up a little bit. So I actually went to the Dollar Tree and I did get some foam board. Now the back here is some, you can use contact paper from the Dollar Tree. I just used that back there. And since you can hardly reach this part here, I'm not worried about that because you could barely reach that. So here I will have some toiletries. I wanted to have a lift to it, an angle, and I didn't want anything that could easily like slide every time I open and close the drawer. So if I use something like a slippery contact paper, I knew they would slide all over. So I wanted something with a grip. This here is a rug from the Dollar Tree. Yes, guys, a rug from the Dollar Tree. It's one of those black mats. Now I could have used the other side, which is great, but I wanted this felt rivet side here. It's nice and ribbed, and it is black and it's sleek, and it goes very well with my decor. I'm not going to show you anything else because this bathroom is almost done. So I'm going to show you how I did this slip here. Look at it, guys. And this is foam board and a rug from the Dollar Tree. All right, guys. And it was a simple project to do. I'm going to show you the items I did for this product. It's not that many. All right, guys, let's get started. These are the items I'll be using for this project. I have my measuring tape. I do have some, this is not contact paper, this is wallpaper I got from the Goodwill, but you use the contact paper from Dollar Tree along with this mat, the black mat. They had different colors as well. You're also going to use a blade to cut this. You're going to also need some hot glue. I use tape and of course foam board. As you can see here, I am measuring the width and the length of the board for my contact paper that I want to put down first. Once I measure everything, I'll just make sure it's cut and then inserted to make sure it fits properly. Don't forget, guys, measure twice, cut once. The next thing is my foam board. Measure everything exact. And now here I am putting the lift in just to make sure where I want my lift to be and how high I want it to go. Also check the length. Checking just to make sure it's the right length for my items. Once I got the correct height for my lift and I measured the back one, it was about 2 inches. Once I know it fits properly, it is time to glue. Once I see that the first lift was properly measured, I'm going to my second lift. I just want to make sure my toiletries are longer for like my toothbrushes or toothpaste because I just needed a longer length. Now I'm using double-sided tape because I'm not using contact paper. I'm actually using wallpaper. So this is optional. So if you're using contact paper, you don't need to do this step. So this is going to be the cover for it. So I'm going to measure the mat exactly to match each lift. So it's easy just to place the board on top of it just to measure it precisely. Here I'm just using tape because the marker was too dark to mark it. So I'm basically just using tape. Now here I'm using a score. This is a score that actually just puts pressure to it so you can have an indenture and you could easily fold your fabric. Okay guys, I have everything done. I'm ready to put the fabric on top of this lip here, the styrofoam board, and it fits perfectly guys. Look at it, it looks really, really great. So now all to do is hot glue it down and insert it in the drawer. Everything fits. Once I know the first drawer fits, I'm sitting here just sampling some of my things just to make sure, my sanitizer, because this section is going to be short. And then the second one is going to be for a longer one. So once that is completed, I finish up again, repeated the same process, put in a second lift, and that's the whole project, guys. I am so glad this came out pretty cool. It's really, really nice and it looks professional. Who would have thought? All right, guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video and I hope you like this simple DIY project. Again, some of these things here, these inserts, these lip inserts, I believe that's what she called them. I like the little twist to it, having something here that will, hold it and it won't, slide so easily, a nice little grip. So these are just sample things I put here just to see the how much length I need for each one, the back and the front. See back here, I'll probably do some travel size toothbrush, toothpaste, some Listerine, things like that, soaps, and also with this little section back here, I could probably do like them little bars of soap and just pile them in the back. Also, YouTubers, if you see an idea you got from another YouTuber, please give that YouTuber some credit. And this goes for the seasoned YouTubers as well. If you see some of us newbies and you got an idea from us, please also give that person some props. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl, and thanks for watching my video. Don't forget, guys, like, comment, and subscribe to your Mooregirl. All right, guys, take care. It's Mooregirl.